Friends, today I am showing you Annona reticulata. This is popularly known in India Ramphal. This is a very nice bushy tree. It has big fruits. It is a type of a custard apple. Last time I have wired this plant. It has grown up nicely. It is still in its native pot. Now I am doing off-season trimming because some shoots grow bigger than their size and they draw energy from the plant and the rest of the tree does not grow properly. So these are the unwanted leaders, and there are also some branches which are going straight up or going straight down. These two types of branches also will spoil your aesthetics of bonsai. This is around 14-year-old Annona reticulata. It has got a good shape. It is a kind of a unorthodox informal upright, we can say. It's not a classical informal upright. Now I am not going to prune the major branches. I want this plant to grow a little more bigger. When I do next time repotting, then we'll do the proper shaping of this tree. Now you can see I have trimmed out some of the shoots which are growing up. A lot of people ask me, why should you cut the branches which are growing straight up and down? They basically disturb the spaces. Trees should have a nice space so that air and sunlight pass through the tree, and wind tunnels have to be made through the tree. That makes the tree breathe nicely and it encourages more foliage. So that's why we should trim down the branches which are going straight up and straight down. Now you can see earlier it was more bushy. I have trimmed down some branches and now there is a space. Let us examine. You should keep rotating and watching so that you should not cut unnecessarily. Sometimes you may have to rewire. So I am just taking out the wire of a branch which has already taken a good shape. You can remove wire anytime. Removal of wire is very important because they create marks on the branches. These are very unsightly in appearance. Sometimes thin wires can grow into the branch or a trunk. If you forget to remove, it can happen. But that is definitely bad for the tree. Now you can see the lower canopy is quite horizontal. There are 2-3 branches, each bifurcating in the lower canopy, and the top of the tree it has 2 branches on the top. I will cut one of them later. Now I am trying to little reshape and do little bit of abnormal branches, cleaning up. You must use a sharp cutter sometimes. Good pair of scissors are also important. Yeah. Now you can see the main trunk clearly. I think the view we are watching now can be one of the good views of the tree, and you keep rotating. This can be also a good view. We have not come to a final conclusion of the true shape of the tree. Now I have trimmed down the top branch, one of the two, that is so that apical branch I leave. It's not so big, so I'm not going to worry about it. It's very thin shoot, and in between the top leaves also you chop off some big leaves, because big leaves will block the light for the lower branches. Now you can see it looks quite nice. Dear friends, it is not in a good pot, that's why you are not appreciating the beauty of the tree. Actually, if you put it in a good Chinese ceramic pot, a proper flat bonsai pot, this will look very nice. Next time I'm going to do the final potting. At the moment I am using this as a growing pot, although it is slightly smaller, but the plant is good green foliage. Yeah. Don't be in a hurry to chop off the branches. Take time, think, make a drawing on a paper if you want, and it is good to cut the leaves which are obstructing your view, because you may not appreciate the shape of the tree if they are blocked by leaves. So I have removed almost 20% of the tree now. Slowly, one by one, now it's clearing up. There's also, I think, big leaves, one of them. Yeah, I think I should chop it off, yes. Good. Somehow this time I am quite conservative, otherwise normally I chop off many branches. Actually I am doing this pruning. This is summertime. Summertime you don't do too much of pruning or too much of root cutting, because as it is, the higher temperature of Hyderabad put plants in stress, and you should not add more stress to it. Ideally, except some tuberous plants, most of the trees you should not repot in summertime unless there is some emergency. Now let me decide the top of the tree. So I am leaving one small tiny branch as apex of the tree, and I am slowly trimming down. You keep rotating and watching. Ideally, a medium-sized bonsai can be around 20 to 24 inches height. So ideally, there are no bigger rules. There are no rules as such, but it's all up to you to how much size you want. Good. Yeah, this looks good now. I'm stopping here just to see how it looks. So see you next time when I repot this Ramphal, that is Annona reticulata. I will show you. Thank you.